What's up, you bots? And today we are playing Toca Kitchen 2. So, I've actually been wanting to play this game for a while on the channel, and today we are doing it. So we can choose who we want to feed them. Let's go with this guy. Okay, so let's cook him. Okay, so let's cook him some breakfast first. Good morning, sir. What would you like for breakfast? Would you like some bread?
Whoa!
Yeah, he wants it. Okay, so let's put on the cutting board. Here we got like lettuce, pineapple, melon, a pear, a carrot, a chicken leg, steak, a shrimp, and fish. Okay, so let's see. So what would you, so let's go ahead and slice up the bread.
Whoa!
There we go.
Whoa!
And then let's fry them. So let's go with some fried bread. And then would you like some salt? There we go, you got some salt. How does it taste? Oh, he loves it. He loves fried bread with some salt. Can we feed him the whole thing? Ew. Excuse you. Okay, so now it's time for lunch. So let's give him some. Let's give him some chicken wings.
Whoa!
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 Whoa! He loves all these chicken wings. So let's go ahead and fry them. So actually. Actually, will you eat this?
Oh!
Eat it. You liked it, so eat it. Okay, so let's do this and let's put some butter on. Okay, so we fried one of the wings. Let's do another one. Put that there. And there. Oh wait. This one wasn't completely fried or cooked. And then this one was there. And then just this one, and we're done. Okay, so there we go. So there's your chicken wings. Oh wait, okay, there's some more. Actually, one more thing. So let's do one more. So let's do that. Put some butter on that, cause butter. And then I think you can put these like into a drink. So let's make some chicken wing juice. What do you think? He actually kind of likes it. Wait, let's throw some hot sauce. Hot sauce feels good on chicken wings. So hot sauce is green. What is this? Volcano sauce? We even gotta get it on the bone. Well, just don't eat the bones when you eat the bones when you eat chicken wings. What do you think? He didn't even care. Wait. Eat again. He doesn't even care. Eat that one, and then how about this one? Oh, you like that one. What do you think about that one? Hey, drink that. I should have put some hot sauce in there.
Hey!
Okay, so let's and for dinner, let's make a seafood platter. Oh, He had a tentacle. Oh. Ew, why are you puking?
Wow.
So let's make
Hey.
a seafood platter. So there we go. So there's your seafood platter. And then for your drink, let's go with a tentacle. And then
Wow.
let's go with a fish and shrimp. So put the shrimp in there. Okay, so fish, shrimp, and what was the other thing? So fish, shrimp, and tentacle drink. What do you think? Oh. Eat the shrimp. Okay. Okay, so let's go ahead and put these in the oven. Oh, you can have more than one. Okay, that's cool. So we got a couple pieces of shrimp, a tentacle, and a fish. So will this satisfy you? And let's throw some ketchup on there and some hot sauce. And why not add some pepper? There we go. So ketchup, hot sauce, and pepper for seafood platter. Ooh, he somehow like that tentacle. How about a cooked shrimp with ketchup? Didn't care. So how about ketchup and hot sauce with a fish? What do you think? How about some lemon? Well, just throw just a bunch of lemon, and why not add some soy sauce, and hot sauce. Wait, hot sauce, please. All right, there we go. What do you think? What was that? Okay, how about we throw some more lemon on your one shrimp and some salt. There goes some lemon and salt. And finish your drink. Okay, son. Now it's time for some dessert. So, can you eat a whole... Oh my god, he ate a whole watermelon. Oh, I don't think he likes watermelon. Strawberry, mushroom. Oh, he doesn't really like the mushroom. How about spaghetti, onion, and a carrot? And wait, so let's make this carrot as hot as possible. So let's do everything we can and make it to make it hot on this carrot. So let's cook it. There we go. And then let's go ahead and fry it. Let's just make this as hot as possible. And then I'm gonna throw some hot sauce on it. Cause I just want to see what happens if you make it as hot as possible. So let's boil it, and then cook, and then bake it. All right, and finally, let's throw some hot sauce on it, and let's all throw some hot sauce on all this other stuff. Throw on the carrot. Eat it. Eat it. There we go. What do you think? Okay, so that's what happens when you throw hot. Make everything hot. Oh. Ew. What? Do you not like hate onions? Because I don't either. So let's make his spaghetti hot, and then let's boil it. And let's throw some hot sauce inside of the pan, or inside of the pot, and eat it. Eat your noodles. Oh. Okay, so that's what happened. And mushroom. What do you think of the mushroom? You don't like mushrooms either? How about a strawberry? What do you think of strawberries? Okay, he does not like that either. So let's give you some corn. I feel like I'm in fruit. I feel like I'm playing Fruit Ninja. Here you go. So there's your corn. I'm gonna throw some mayo or mustard, whatever that is. some lemon. Oh no, I want some lemon. So throw some lemon on the corn. Some ketchup. We need to have ketchup on the corn. Some soy sauce. And then some hot sauce. What do you think of this? What do you think of this? It looks all moldy. He didn't care. He didn't really care. How about this? Soy sauce, sauce, and the ketchup. What do you think? Okay, so let's throw ketchup, hot sauce, and soy sauce onto who's just that little piece. Nope. Eat. Here, eat. Just eat the flat pieces of corn. He likes it. He likes the flat pieces of corn. What is... You don't like that either? How about this? Ketchup and mustard and hot sauce on that. Eat the little piece of corn. Drop it or eat it when it flies. One more thing. So let's grab some steak. Let's throw some mustard. Ketchup. He doesn't really like it. Some hot sauce, pepper, salt, and what do you think? That's a big piece. You don't like that either. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this video of Toca Kitchen. If you guys want to see another video of this game, then just leave a leave a like and I'll play it again. I'll see you guys in another video. Peace out. Eat all this. Wait, how do you fit all that in your mouth? Ew. Excuse you. Anyway, peace out.